What do you think of my new office? I only wish I was in New York City right now. Life would be very different, wouldn't it be? This is my new office. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Jane Latz with Corporate Speech Solutions, and I am still here to help you say it better. It is more important than ever that you use communication skills to connect with people virtually, no matter what your platform is. I want you to make sure to exude vocal presence by powering up your voice, to speak in a clear, articulate manner, and to strategically deliver your message. Would you like a meeting in my office? Please reach out to me. My contact information is right in my background, and I look forward to hearing from you. Be safe and be healthy.